Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. As part of our Python programming language series, we have covered some of the topics, and before going to further, we want to start our execution also, because we are learning something and we want to visualize it in Python language, how to execute these codes which we have done already. So all these things, for all these things, so I want to show your first execution. I am happy to compile and execute the first program. And whoever are the new, please follow our series from start. If you are clear with the topic, you can continue from here also. This is a part of Python programming language series, where we will focus for your interview preparations and for your semester purpose, and for the people who want to learn Python programming. This course is especially for you. Okay, before going without any delay, we'll execute our first program. 1 minute, I am setting the environment. Okay, I hope everyone can see this. Now you can use whatever the thing available for you. For example, a tablet or laptop or computer or mobile or CPU, something, whatever available, you can go with that and you can use. First, type some gdb online gdb compiler. There are some more compilers. I felt it is good and you can visualize the things very better. Okay, so that I'm suggesting this. Type online gdb compiler, and you will get like this. Click on the first link where you can see www.onlinegdb.com. Okay, click on this link. Click on these links, follow the step carefully. First, select the language. Here you can see language, right side top. Select C language, C++, and whatever the language we are learning. For example, now we are doing with Python. So click Python and see, that's all. Just close that and see. Here you can see something. Here you can see something. Just click run button, run button, run button. See, here you got hello world. Then this is working fine. Okay, this is working fine. Now we will do whatever the programs we have learned already. Just leave. Don't don't get what can I tell. 1 minute. Don't get tension or something, like, don't get confused. Just simple. See, as I told in the previous videos, it looks like a box where you will write the code. This is the screen where you will write the code, and whatever the code you will write, you will get in the output, correct? And see, first I am writing for our first program. Print hello. In, I told na, in Windows we will see hello like this. So after completion of your writing of your program, what I should do? Run. Run. When you click the run button, what it will do means it will convert from high level language, you know na, compiler, story, and interpreter, translator. It will convert to computer understandable language, and it will make it computer to understand and do whatever the thing our developer or programmer what we told. Here we told print in double quotes. You know na, what is the use of double quotes? To understand for our purpose. If you run, it will run hello. I hope you can see. You can see hello. If I write in this, if I write some, I am a boy. Okay, I am a boy. What it will print? It will print I am a boy. And see, we need to understand one thing. Print a, next line, print double quotes b, and print double quotes C. Now, how the computer program executes from top to bottom, right? Line number 1, line number 2, line number 3. Here also, how it will print A, after that B, after that C. How many times you execute? See, ABC, we got ABC. How many times you execute? See, second time, third time, fourth time, fifth time. Every time it will print ABC only. It will not change. Order of execution always from top to bottom. It will not give random order. Okay, this is one thing which we learned in before class, not before, some before video. I improved it. Everything whatever I teach in class, means whatever I teach in the YouTube video, you can visualize the thing. And what we told, for example, we had took one assignment or some homework, a equal to 10 and b equal to 20. So we need to print a comma, you know na, if I put double quotes a, you will get print as it is a. And a, what it will do? First, within the double quotes, it will print a, and next a, what it will print? Instead of a, it will go to memory and it will search what is the value of a. A value is 10, so it will print 10. Okay, see, output a space 10. Again, if I do some c is equals to a plus b, what is the value of, what is the value of a? 10, and what is the value of b? 20. 10 plus 20, total 30. It will print. Now I am writing print statement for C. Print b comma b and print C. What is the C value? A value is 10, B value is 20, C value is 30. 10 plus 20, correct? So see this, A value is 10, B value is 20, C value is 30. So whatever the thing we will write, in the same order it will execute, and computer doesn't know anything. Whatever the thing you will give, it will show as it is in the display. So I told now, what is the input for computer? We are giving input, the program using our keyboard. And how can we see the output? Using the display, correct? In the display only you can see this. What is the output we are getting? So I make sure you try in your mobile, you try in your laptop, you try and tell me whether it is executing. Are you able to execute and able to understand? If you tell me these things in comment, I will feel very happy. Okay, please do this experiment and tell me your views. I think many people will feel very happy after executing their first program. Even I felt very happy when I did my first program, because I am giving 10, I am giving 20, I am printing 30. How computer is doing? These all things we will understand in upcoming videos, and I hope I made you understand clear. Okay, and if you are the person first video, if you are watching this as the first video, please follow further videos of the Python programming language series, and make understand. Okay, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, share and like. Okay.